Hi everyone, I'm Penny. Today let's briefly introduce our pit type furnace. The pit type furnace is a cycle production furnace, mainly used for metal part in natural atmosphere or protected atmosphere for heat treatment. When needed during process, protected atmosphere can be fed into the furnace to realize little of the dicing heating. The control system can be equipped with normal control instrument or instrument with a microprocessor, program control according to actual need. The energy-saving furnace lighting, faster temperature rise, low empty furnace consumption, save more than 20% of energy compared with all products. Okay, that's all. See you next video.